It happened in silence. One night, people across the world looked up and saw nothing. The moon gone, no explosion, no light, just emptiness where it should have been. At first, scientists thought it was an illusion, a rare atmospheric phenomenon. But as the hours passed, tides began to drop, and every telescope confirmed the impossible: the moon had vanished. Earth's gravitational balance shuddered. Without the moon's stabilizing pull, the planet began to wobble on its axis. Days grew unpredictable. The sky looked strange, the stars seemed to drift, and the nights were darker than anyone had ever known. The oceans felt eerily still. Coastal towns felt the absence first, the gentle rhythm of tides gone silent. Sea creatures became disoriented, coral reefs began dying, and within days, weather systems began to unravel. Farmers noticed changes too. With no moonlight, nocturnal pollinators, bats, moths disappeared. Entire ecosystems began to fail. Humanity's relationship with time, light, and life itself began to fracture. But the moon had not been destroyed, only taken. Far beyond the reach of human eyes, something enormous drifted through space, a shadow blacker than night, dragging the moon behind it like a captured heart. And it was moving toward Earth. 3 days after the moon's disappearance, chaos spread across the planet. The Earth's axis tilted unpredictably, shifting seasons within hours. Regions that were once calm now faced endless storms. The magnetic field began to fluctuate violently, confusing satellites, animals, and even compasses. The tides no longer followed rhythm. Tsunamis struck randomly, caused by tectonic imbalance. The gravitational harmony that had existed for 4.5 billion years was broken. Humanity realized how much the moon had given them: stability, rhythm, and protection. The moon's gravity had slowed Earth's spin for eons, made nights longer, oceans livable, and life predictable. Without it, everything accelerated. Weather, erosion, even time itself seemed to rush forward. Meanwhile, telescopes caught sight of it, the moon, drifting through the void, surrounded by strange gravitational waves. Something invisible was pulling it closer to Earth. A cosmic predator, a black hole fragment, or something alive. As the moon approached again, torn and fractured, its orbit decayed rapidly. Astronomers screamed warnings across every channel. The moon wasn't just returning, it was falling. Alarms echoed worldwide. Humanity watched in horror as the moon filled half the sky, enormous, cracked, glowing with strange energy. Its descent distorted gravity itself. Oceans lifted into the sky. Cities crumbled as tectonic plates shifted. The pull of the dying moon ripped entire continents apart. In the chaos, one scientist, Dr. Elena Ramirez, made a desperate discovery. The mysterious force dragging the moon wasn't natural. It was a gravitational echo, a side effect of a cosmic experiment gone wrong, the result of Earth's collider technology tapping into a quantum rift weeks earlier. Humanity had accidentally destabilized the moon's orbit. Now it was falling back like a pendulum, snapping its string. With days left before impact, humanity launched its final mission. Project Lunar Shield, thousands of satellites armed with nuclear thrusters, designed to push the moon just enough to miss Earth. As the moon's cracked surface loomed closer, its ancient craters glowed with blue fire. The last words transmitted from Mission Control were simple. For every night we ever loved the moon, this is for you. Then came the flash. When the light faded, silence returned. The moon had not struck Earth. Against all odds, the lunar shield worked partially. Half of the moon vaporized in the upper atmosphere, scattering molten dust into orbit. The rest drifted away, shattered into thousands of glowing fragments. For weeks, Earth was wrapped in a halo of silver dust, a ring like Saturn's, shimmering softly in the night sky. Humanity called it the lunar veil. It wasn't the same, but it was beautiful. Tides slowly stabilized, and the planet began to heal. The nights glowed faintly once again, not with the face of the old moon, but with millions of fragments reflecting sunlight like cosmic mirrors. Dr. Ramirez looked to the new night sky and whispered, "The moon is gone, but its light will never leave us." In the end, the moon's disappearance reminded humanity of a forgotten truth, that the smallest constants of the universe are the most fragile, and that balance, once lost, is never the same again. The night would never look the same, but it would always carry the memory of what once was.